Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to connect your epson. Here we go, epson L3110. If you're troubleshooting like this problem, maybe this video may help you. And of course, make a shout out to our friends right here, right there, Kitruville, Kapili, and also with our friend right here, right there in Abu Dhabi. Just comment down below if you like. Okay, so the problem for this MacBook or iMac, here you can see it, your iMac. So the problem is we cannot connect, but because of one of our technician here, he's very talented and smart right here. Right here, so he is the best technician right here. So we need to fix this one. Okay, so first of all, the thing is we need to update your iMac, okay, because it doesn't connect. And of course we need to download the software or the drivers for this epson. Okay, so I do hope guys you will like this video. Check this out. So guys, this is it, okay, in the update, this is the real thing, okay? Here we go. We are still updating until the end. I do hope it will be function. Here we go. What happened, man?
Paper stuck.
Stuck up, oh man.
Sao ini Pak?
Betul, butang nih partner. You did put the wrong bond paper.
Ini sedikit.
Pret, motor bay. Pret daw. Type ko lang po, type.
Jam.
I-restart partner. Oh, kena off na. Sige. Sige. Alright, here we go. I-restart from PC ko na partner. Start the PC and there we go. Tuloy ang kaso. Okay na na.
Kuha itong iPhone lagi ng try.
Palagi.
Basta tumulong partner.
Ako na itong ingo. Sa atan ako balik. Oh, tigis ka. Successful yung pag-repair natin. Wala na yun to yun.
Yun, partner.